Now Jacob's going to go up.
The tube goes over your head like it was. Just do the same thing. Okay?
Jacob's going to go on a little tube ride here, so. Going to watch this go. We got Evonne here. First time out.
You want me to go like Malia?
Yeah, you know, try it, see how he does, and then let him tell you.
Get up front.
Okay. So just make sure
Say,
if he falls
Jacob's
out.
got guts today. He's going to go out there.
Chuck.
Going to take him.
And he knows this.
Now should the flag go up the whole time or just?
No, right now the flag should be up.
Sarah, the flag should be up right now.
You can give me the flag. I'll do it.
Well, no, it should be in the back as well. Where the first.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. Give it to him. No, give it to him. Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, is he ready?
Yep.
Where's Malia?
Here's Jacob.
Oh, is the ladder up?
Is the ladder up?
It's down.
Oh, put it up.
Pull it up. Pull it up. Good. So take your time.
It is up.
Oh,
It's up.
yeah.
Okay.
That is down.
Okay.
All right, you guys ready? Is he ready?
Ready?
We're going!
Hold on tight.
Hold on!
Here's Jacob. First time out. Seems to like it so far.
Wow, wow, wow!
Slow down. Slow down.
He loves it. Can't get any closer than that. That's pretty good. Here's Mommy watching.